With the release of the new GTA 6 trailer, the hype is at an all-time high. And what if I tell you that there's a way to make money with this hype about GTA 6? And no, not in-game money.
We're taking home cold hard cash.
When GTA 5 was released, and even some years after it, many people started YouTube channels that are dedicated to doing certain challenges and other in-game stuff and have gained millions of subscribers. Well, guess what? There's gonna be a huge demand for the same stuff when GTA 6 releases as well. But wait, what am I talking about? GTA 6 will release in 2025 and most likely in December. That's 2 years away. So, do you just gotta wait until GTA 6 releases to make videos? Absolutely not. These 2 years will be the most important years for you. You need to start building an audience starting right now. Cause in 2 years, there's gonna be thousands of people making videos about playing GTA 6 that it would be impossible for you to be unique. I mean, you would still gain some views until the trend is ongoing, but as soon as the trend is over, your channel will also start to die. But if GTA 6 isn't coming out for another 2 years, how can you build an audience around that niche? Well, if you're not living under a rock, you may have seen videos like this pop in YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. And it doesn't take a lot of effort to start making videos like this. You can start with a trailer breakdown and even talk about conspiracy theories and plot points. You don't have to come up with them yourself. If you spend some time browsing these topics on Reddit and Twitter, you can find tons of information to make videos about. But just try to be authentic and don't blindly copy someone else because it will never work. And while the GTA trend is still alive, you can also make content about previous GTA games if you don't have quality content about GTA 6. I mean, just last night I saw a guy on TikTok doing a series about playing every GTA game in order, and it has gotten a substantial amount of likes, and to be honest, even I liked it, because it's honestly a good series. So if you can do something similar, I'm pretty sure you would at least go semi-viral. I mean, if you're creative enough, there's all types of videos you can make. GTA 6 in itself will be a multi-billion-dollar industry, so there's no doubt that you can make some money out of it. Even outside of YouTube, there's a lot of people who will make money because of GTA 6. There's gonna be Twitch streamers who will make millions playing GTA 6, there will be people dropshipping merch about GTA 6, there will be entire websites made about the in-game cars and guns and stuff like that. There's so many paths that you can take. But forget all these things as they require some form of capital to start. But not making content. If you start making content about GTA from now onwards, by the time GTA 6 comes out, you will have about 10,000 subscribers. And if you do short form content, it'll be even more. If you play your cards right, you can certainly be successful on YouTube. And if you wanna know how to play your cards right, you can watch this video on my channel that explains exactly how to go viral on YouTube. And as soon as the game comes out, you need to upload about once a day for as long as the hype is there, and it will be there for at least 4 to 5 months. And I guarantee you, if you do this properly, you will make $100,000 in those 5 months. And after the hype fades away, you can still make videos about GTA 6, but you can also start to make videos about whatever the current trending game is. And for the people who believe they're unlucky and this will never work for them, this is your chance. GTA 5 was released in 2013 and GTA 6 will release in 2025. That's a 12-year difference. So you're lucky enough to get this opportunity. Many people weren't. Start doing this today and in 2 years you will have the opportunity to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and even if you fail, there's literally nothing to lose. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.